Hi, this is Christina with Build Media Group, and today I want to talk to you about how you can attract very high quality backlinks to your website without having to pay for them. Now, this strategy is not new, and this is something that we've been doing for quite a while with Build Media Group, and I imagine this is something that quite a lot of other SEO specialists are doing out there. And the reason I think this strategy that I'm going to talk about is pretty useful and relevant is because not only it is attracting organic traffic to your website, but it also helps you build the links to your website for years to come. And what I'm saying is that the strategy that I have in mind is basically creating content on your website that is helpful, useful, could be cited, unique, anything that could be potentially used by other people as a source. Now, obviously, this is an article, maybe a guide or how to, or a listicle, anything of that sort that could be hosted on your website. Perhaps it can be some kind of a study. Maybe you have some data lying around that is just sitting there and you don't know what to do with that. Maybe you're using it for your internal purposes, but you never published it. If you have an opportunity to publish your data, and it's not sensitive, and you can make a unique article out of that, do it, because not only it's going to position you as an authority in a space, but it's also going to attract quite a lot of relevant backlinks. Now, here you can actually see the Ahrefs, not a screenshot, but you can see the screen of GoBridge.com, one of the clients that I used to work with. They are in the contact space. They are Canadian construction software. They're mostly dealing with resource allocation and construction, things like that. Now, we've started working with Bridget for quite a long time ago, and they've started literally from almost zero, nothing. At the moment, they're sitting at 32K, which is great. We've also helped them to build quite an impressive domain authority with the help of the backlinks. Now, one of the strategies that we've done for backlinking was exactly that strategy. We created quite a lot of really useful, relevant content for them. And here you can see the best by links, obviously, something that shows the external backlinks coming to the website and shows which pages attract them. Now, obviously, the very first one would be the homepage, as is the case with majority of the domains. And then we can see the blogs coming. Rising interest rates in the construction industry, guides to construction job titles and descriptions, labor versus material cost in construction. All of these are informational blog posts. They are educational, they are helpful, useful, could be cited, and that's exactly what's happening. In the last 30 days, the blog section and all the blogs from Bridget brought them 133 links just from blogs. I already downloaded this whole thing, excluded the homepage, made sure only to show the blogs, and I've seen 133 links just in last month. And this is happening every single month. So certain publications, whoever is writing an article, let's say on construction labor cost or something along those lines, they would need some data around it. And whenever people search for that data on the internet, what they do, they come across Go Bridget website and they cite it, and that's exactly how you get the backlinks, and that's just happening on a monthly basis for years to come. Now, the main thing obviously is to keep your article, once it's ranking good, you would want to keep it up to date. If your data is outdated, it's not going to be used. So you want to make sure that that's happening. I just want to show you just one of the, maybe how to calculate. Let's see. So this blog received 13 new links, and I want to show and I want to see who linked to us in the last months. Okay, so I'm seeing one link per domain, so we're seeing just domains. So it seems people are linking back to go Bridget from like buildings, blog down floor, remote reality, find homes, building, improvement home, everything to do with home improvement, and things like that. Building, builders, basically exactly what we want. We want backlinks from reputable sources that are in our industry. And if you will see, majority of the sites that are linking back to Bridget have a pretty good DR. Here you go, 39, 88, 41, okay, 19, 75, 55. That's a lot of link juice coming to our how to calculate construction labor cost. And you will see how they source it. They could put source, learn more, source, labor costs, construction building costs, things like that. So that's an easy way to build links. Obviously, one of the good things that you need to do is to make sure that your guide or whatever you're putting together is very, very detailed. It's actually written for the user. It's showing you what you need to see when you search for that. It's satisfying the search intent, things like that. um, if you're curious to learn more about how to create these kind of blogs, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to make another video.